My name is Yehuda Hyman. I'm a product manager with Backup as a Service. I've been in the IT industry for more than 20 years, and I've managed data centers, so I'm very familiar with many of the pain points of a backup infrastructure. There was a survey done that showed that 57% of IT managers have a backup solution in place, which means that there's still 43% of environments that don't have a backup. Of the ones that did have a backup, 75% of them were unable to recover all of their data in the event of a failure. Ransomware is a big issue in today's IT environment. 81% of ransomware victims were confident that they'd be able to restore all of their data from their backup, but only 42% of companies were able to restore all of their data. NEC's solution for today's backup challenges is to take that out of the hands of the IT infrastructure and to provide a fully managed backup service for customers to leverage in their environment. So NEC is addressing these challenges by providing a fully managed backup service stored in an Iron Mountain facility, either in Western Pennsylvania or Northern Virginia, very highly secure, FSMA compliant, and we're offering a large set of compatible applications that you can back up, fully automated backups and restores, a full 24/7 by 365-day network operations center to help you with your environment. And it takes all of the guesswork out of setting up your backup infrastructure. Well, today's IT world is a very complex world with a lot of different compliance regulations that they have to follow, whether it's HIPAA compliance or SOX compliance or FSMA compliance. Infrastructures have a hard time keeping on top of the regulations and making sure that they're running a fully compliant data center. With NEC's Backup as a Service, you no longer have to worry that your backup environment is following those compliance issues. We do that for you in fully regulated data centers with fully compliant software. What differentiates NEC's Backup as a Service is we're not just storage in the cloud. You may compare us to some of the competitors that provide you cloud storage and you can repoint your infrastructure into the cloud. What NEC's Backup as a Service gives you is a full service backup infrastructure where you no longer have to manage your backups. You're not repointing anything. You're not managing any part of your backup itself. We're doing everything for you from top to bottom. There are several reasons why a customer would consider NEC Backup as a Service. First of all, there are infrastructure and software licensing costs associated with any backup solution. You have to put the backup solution on servers or storage, and you have to purchase the backup software. Backup as a Service handles that for you. In addition to that, your backup administrator is spending all of his time trying to keep trained on the backup software, trying to make sure that you have a fully recoverable backup environment. Backup as a Service solves that for you by running the infrastructure for you. In addition, responsiveness of restoring your backups is a large issue with IT environments. Many environments are still running on older tape backups, which are shipped off-site, and if they're in the event of an outage, it takes the time to recall those tapes and get them restored back into your environment. We have two deployment models for Backup as a Service. Client model number one is a straight backup to NEC's cloud, where we just repoint your existing servers into the NEC cloud over a secure link. Client model number two places an NEC appliance in your local data center, which enables you to back up directly to that appliance and then stage it into the NEC cloud. What that does is that enables customers to restore faster from an on-premise appliance, and it also helps protect you in the event of a larger disaster. Why NEC? The solution is built and optimized on NEC's own hardware and infrastructure. It's placed in highly regulated data centers. It uses the industry-leading backup software with a large application base to ensure we meet all of your needs. We have a trained and compliant staff, and it's tried and true with many existing customers. To get more information about this solution, you can go to our website, necam.com/BAAS.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.